So now you can see on our crude oil. Before you actually go, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. That is if you are new to this my channel. Now as you can see on our WTI crude oil, for weeks now or months, we can see for almost 2 to 3 months now, we've actually on a bull run. We are actually going bullish, but also for a couple of days now, we're actually at this fall, by the way. So I'm seeing this, I'm still seeing we are still on a bullish run. That is what I'm seeing. So I'm seeing here as a retracement. As you can see, we actually had a nice movement upward. Now we are actually seeing this drop. I'm marking it as a support area, which will actually give us that bullish move. So this week I'm seeing a bullish move. I don't believe our price will actually fall. As you can see that our price, as you can see, if you have to highlight it way, you can see that this price has given us support a resistance area, which price has also give us as a resistance area. It fell. You can also see here where price had this pullback when we are on a downtrend, and we can also see some rejection here. So definitely as we are at this fall there, here we are actually going bullish, by the way. So this week I'm seeing a bullish move, at least this our area here, giving us like a double top for this week, our WTI. So WTI, I'm aiming to go bullish, by the way. Now on 4-hour time frame, as you can see on 4-hour time frame, we are still down, by the way. So before I will actually take this trade, I will go on moving average. I'll use 10 period moving average. If my price can actually go above my 10 period moving average, then I think that would be a good opportunity to take my buy. Then my moving average should have actually come at least down a little bit. Then this my price action should actually go above it, whereby it will be above my 10 period moving average. Then I'll take my buy position straight upward, giving us to take my position around 120, giving us like a double top for this week. So exactly what I think might happen. But by the way, we want to trade what we see and not what we think. Let's see our price move and it reacts, then we'll actually trade with it. So that is my analysis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.